Jai Shri Ram. Now we come to Canto 71. When Bharat reaches Ayodhya after crossing many streams and rivers and passing through different territories and finds the city cheerless, wearing a deserted look, he sets about brooding and speculating as to what may be the reason for this, and speaking to the charioteer about it, enters the palace dejected and disconsolate. So ultimately Bharat reaches Ayodhya and he is shocked to see that there is everything is very silent. कोई भी शोर शराबा नहीं है, किसी ने भी अपने घर को सजाया नहीं है. All these things, he keeps seeing them, and he talks to the charioteer and asks him, what do you think is the reason for all this? Ayodhya has always been a very hectic city. So what has happened? I am not really feeling very comfortable about this. And he goes over there. Then we come to Canto 72. 72. Entering his father's apartment and not finding him there, Bharat moves to his mother's apartment, and having communicated to her the welfare of his maternal grandfather and others on being questioned by her, inquires of her the whereabouts of his father. Kaikeyi then breaks to him the news of his father's death, attributing it to Sri Ram's exile and holding herself responsible for the latter, and after comforting him calls upon him to get himself installed on the throne after finishing his father's obsequies. So Kaikeyi, Bharat goes to his father's apartment, does not find him over there. So he rushes to his mother's apartment and asks her that most of the time I would find my father over here. Where is he? So Kaikeyi tells him that he is no longer there. And when he's the initial shock, and he cries, if he falls on the floor. After that, when he asks his mother what has happened, asks about Sri Ram, she shamelessly tells him everything. He's shocked. He's absolutely shocked. So if you want to listen to both the cantos, that is 71 and 72, please do go to the video section, and you can find the video over there. Jai Shri Ram.